Welcome to the PrintGizmo tutorial series by eLinks. In this video, we are going to explain the new enhanced Workflow Admin dashboard. We have enhanced the Workflow Admin to simplify the process of adding usernames and roles. Let's see how a Workflow Admin is created in PrintGizmo. From our dashboard view, let's move to the sidebar menu and expand the Admin menu. Click on Workflow Admin. You are now in the Workflow Admin dashboard. Here we can see our usernames, email addresses, and roles. Under the Status column, you can turn on and off the user's status with a simple click of the Status toggle button. In the Action column, you can edit the selected user by clicking the pencil or edit icon. Here we can change the username information, role, status, and password. Remember to click Save prior to exiting the screen. By clicking on the padlock icon, you can proxy in as the user. This will allow you to view the workflow dashboard as that user. The assigned workflow role will determine what the user can see on their dashboard and whether they are view only or can view and update. To go back to the Workflow Admin dashboard, you will have to log out and back into PrintGizmo with your credentials. The delete icon or trash can is only used to delete a user from the system. Be cautious when using the delete icon. On the top right, we can add a Workflow Admin by clicking the green Add button. On the Add Workflow Admin screen, we'll enter the username, password, email, and workflow role. These fields are required at minimum when adding a Workflow Admin. Returning to the Workflow Admin dashboard, you can view the workflow roles by clicking the gray Workflow Roles icon. Here we can see the access and action status for each workflow title. Lastly, returning to the Workflow Admin dashboard and clicking the blue Help icon will display the workflow assignment flow diagram. This diagram will give a visual understanding of the workflow assignments and their process flow. For more details and information on the Workflow Admin screens, please consult our knowledge base. We hope this tutorial was useful and helps you to better understand PrintGizmo's Workflow Admin dashboard. If you have any questions or challenges, please feel free to contact one of our support gurus. Thank you for watching.